Welcome everybody to this quick tutorial on how to become a curator in the graph network. Now, curating in the graph network works really seamlessly and flawlessly. It's really easy. And in this step-by-step video, we are going to show you what you need to do to become a curator. So to curate, simply visit the Graph Explorer and click on Subgraphs if you are not already there. And make sure that you are logged into your MetaMask and that you are connected to the graph network. So I'm going to connect with MetaMask right now. So the interface is asking me to select my MetaMask account and I'm clicking on connect. And after this is done, I'm successfully connected with my account to the graph.com website. So in order to curate signal on a subgraph, simply search the subgraph that you wish to curate on. In my case, this is live peer. So I'm typing this in and selecting live peer here. And all I need to do is to simply click on signal. And next I'm going to decide how much GRT I would like to signal. In this case, I want to signal 1000 GRT, or let's say I want to signal 900. And then I simply click on signal. If you have here the option for approve and infinite approve, you can basically make the decision if you always want to approve each individual transaction to become a curator, or if you always want to approve the transaction. So in my case, I have clicked auto approve, infinite approve previously, so the system is not going to ask me a second time to approve the transaction. So in my case, I simply click on signal. If you have the two options, simply decide if you want to always approve each new transaction or if you want to infinite approve, so that you are not bothered by the system, so to speak. In my case, I have already done that and I'm simply clicking on signal. Then I select a appropriate gas amount and click on confirm. So now I have to wait a couple of seconds, and after these seconds have passed, I'm a curator in a graph network. There we have it. The transaction was just now confirmed, and now I am successfully curating this subgraph. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Until then, have a great time.